If you are like most people, you have probably found yourself drowning in debt at some point in your life. But don't worry, you are not alone, and there are steps you can take to get back on track. In this video, we are going to cover some expert tips for paying off debt and achieving financial freedom. So let's get started and make debt be gone. The first step to paying off debt is to evaluate exactly what you owe. This may seem like a buzzkill, but it's important to understand the scope of your debt in order to create a plan to pay it off. Gather all of your bills and credit reports and create a list of everything you owe. You will feel like a detective, but with less drama and more action. Once you know exactly what you owe, it's time to make a plan. Decide how much money you can afford to put towards your debts each month and make a realistic schedule for paying them off. Consider using a debt repayment calculator to help you determine how long it will take to pay off your debts based on your current payments. Think of it as a game plan, but instead of scoring touchdowns, you will be scoring off debts. Reducing your expenses is a key part of paying off debt. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending, such as eating out less, cancelling subscriptions you don't use, or even downsizing your home or car. Every little bit helps, and you will be amazed at how much money you can save. Plus, think of all the bragging rights you will earn when you become a pro at budgeting. In addition to cutting back on expenses, increasing your income can help you pay off debt faster. Consider taking on a side job, freelancing, or selling items you no longer need. You may also want to negotiate a raise or look for a higher paying job. It's like taking a financial game to the next level with a power-up that boosts your income. Debt consolidation can be a great option for simplifying your debt and reducing your interest rates. This involves combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate. This can help you save money and pay off your debts faster. It's like merging all your debts into one big boss and then kicking it out with a power-up. Finally, staying motivated is the key of paying off debt. It can be easy to lose steam or feel discouraged, but it's important to keep pushing forward. Celebrate small victories along the way and remember why you are doing this. You will feel a sense of pride and accomplishment when you finally become debt-free. Plus, think of all the money you will save on interest and use for other things like a fancy vacation, a big screen TV, or... stick to being financially responsible. Before conclusion, here are some bonus tips. To conclude, that's it for today's video on tips for paying off debt and becoming debt-free. Remember, paying off debt takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. By evaluating your debt, making a plan, cutting back on expenses, increasing your income, considering consolidation, and staying back motivated, you can become debt-free and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more expert tips and advice on personal finance. Now go forth and make debt history. Congratulations! If you have watched this video till end, you have a good news. If this video received 1000 comments, one lucky winner will receive all the income I'll receive from YouTube on this video for next 1 month. Thank you.